Hi guys, this is me again, Glad, and I'm back again for another video. And for today, I'm going to share with you why ESL teaching. So, working for 9 years as an ESL teacher, it's actually not my dream job. My dream job was to become a flight attendant when I was very young. So never in my wild imagination that I would be teaching and that I would be a teacher, well, an online teacher. So because I took nursing major when I was in college, and that was what my mom wanted me to become. She wanted me to become a nurse, work abroad, earn in dollars. Then I got married, and then I got a kid at that time, but now I already have three kids. But at that time, it was so hard because I was in Manila. Well, I am in Manila at that time, and my son is in Bulacan. So every week I had to travel back and forth to be with him. So come Monday, midnight, I'm going to go back to Manila. And then Saturday night or Sunday night, it depends on my schedule. I'm going to go back to Bulacan to be with him. So that's why, so at that time, it was really so hard because, when you are a parent, when you are a mom or a dad, the hardest thing to do, or one of the hardest things to do, is to leave our kids. And for me, my priority is my family. So I really wanted to be with them. I just wanted to guide my kids and to witness all their milestones, each and every milestone that they have in life. So that's why I aim to be part of this online world or freelancing or home-based job or work from home. So they call it differently. They have a lot of terms in this kind of field. So way back 2011, at that time, sobrang konti pa lang ng home-based jobs, pero madami ng ESL companies like in Ortigas, Mandaluyong. Fortunately, I had a neighbor or my childhood friend na working as an online ESL tutor. And I asked her if pwede mag-apply, then nakapasok naman. So, at that time, I was doing part-time ESL teaching and full-time in a BPO company. I was not sure if freelancing or home-based jobs could provide for my family. I was not, everything was uncertain at that time. So eto lang, if you are working in another field and plano mong mag-shift at pasukin yung online world, like freelancing or home-based job, I suggest that you save money first because home-based jobs will require you to invest on your tools and your equipment. So it's not easy. Okay? Kahit naman anong business, you have to invest on something. You have to invest on that. So going back, why ESL teaching? Well, all of these that I'm going to mention are based from my experience. First is salary. Yes, you can earn as much as you want in this field, especially now that we are going through this crisis or this pandemic. So teaching is one of the most in demand field or jobs these days. Actually online particularly. Kasi alam naman natin na hindi makakapasok yung mga bata sa school. So their parents still would like them to learn, and this is the platform that is best for their children. So, especially these days, malawak ang market ng ESL teaching. You can teach locally, you can teach internationally. So, malawak ang market ng ESL teaching ngayon or online teaching. So whatever your niche is, math, English, or whatever subjects, you have a job as an online teacher or online tutor. So, salary, you can earn as much as you want. Yes, it can be a main source of income. It can really be a main source of income. Well, dahil yan, of course, na-experience ka na. At first, of course, dapat aralin mo muna or tansyahin mo muna yung sarili mo if that is your passion. So, well, go on. Continue. But if not, well, pwede mo pa ring aralin. Kasi I believe naman, and I think everyone believes that Filipinos are naturally hospitable and good at teaching. Well, according to my experience, nung una hindi ko pa muna tinignan yung salary. Kasi ang goal ko noon ay mag-work lang sa bahay para makasama ko yung anak ko. To be with him, to guide him, to witness all his milestone, to just be with him. That was just my focus at that time when I started way back 2011. So, then time goes by, nagkaka-experience tayo, nakakapag-self-study, research about sa field. So, ayun, hanggang sa lumaki na yung rate. Because as time goes by and you gain experience, you can demand for your rate. You can even get direct student. So, ayun, hanggang sa lumaki na yung rate. Nag-umpisa ako ng 50 pesos per 25 minutes. So, and then now my rate is from almost 300 pesos to 500 pesos per 1 hour. Wala pa ngang 1 hour, only 50 minutes. Okay, so there, 50 to 1 hour. 50 minutes to 1 hour, rather. So, iyon, magkano nga ba ang kitaan sa ESL teaching? Yung iba nagtatanong, totoo nga ba na 30,000 or 40,000? Posible ba? Well, yes, according to my experience, yes po, totoo. Pero hindi siya agad-agad. Kailangan sipag, tiyaga, and you have the determination talaga so that you could achieve, and you really have to focus on your goal. So, in ESL teaching, the more you work hard, or the more you work, or the more you work harder, the more you earn. So, work hard, play hard, sabi nga nila. But you also have to work smart. Okay? So, when I was a beginner, I was happy earning 20,000 a month. Kasi way back nung sa BPO pa ako, 25,000, pinakamalaki na yon. So, sabi ko, 20,000, pwede na to. Kasi sa bahay lang ako, I am not budgeting my money for transportation, or I will not allot some money for my transportation, food, and all outside. So happy ako that time. Focus on your goal. So, and also you have to think positive, of course. So just like law of attraction, sabi nga nila. Then yes, possible talaga na kumita ng 40,000, 50, 60 in ESL teaching. And fortunately, the highest earning that I had in ESL teaching so far was 96,000 pesos. So, well, hindi siya madali kasi kailangan mong mag-open from Monday to Sunday. But at that time, I had a goal kasi na gusto ko ng private car. Kasi I have a family and we are a family of 5. Ang hirap ng tricycle lang lagi namin ginagamit. So, I told myself na gusto ko ng private car for my family. It's not for any luxurious reason, or it's not for anything na magyamang or something. It's just all for my family. Just that. And it's not about bragging whatsoever, pero gusto ko lang sabihin na ESL teaching can really be a source of income. So, next time I will share with you or share to you how you can maximize your income as an ESL tutor and what are the companies I became affiliated with. And then next is flexibility. Flexibility, you can work full time or part time, choose your own schedule and days off. So this is tried and tested as well. You can choose your own schedule. Sobrang flexible. Ako na-try ko ng schedule from 5 a.m. till 9 a.m. Then free the whole day. You can do whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. I can take care of my kids. I can play with them. So that's why I also chose that schedule before. Sabi ko, 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. they're still sleeping. And when they wake up, nandun ako sa labas. Or kasama nila ako. So there, 5 a.m. till 9 a.m. Free the whole day, and go back to work again 5 p.m. till 11 p.m. So that was when I was working in Now and Talk. It's a Korean company. Then weekend for ACADSOC. So this was the time that I was earning 35 to 40,000 pesos. And then I had a schedule naman na from 5 p.m. till 2 a.m. So that was for Bunny English and Edu. It's a Polish company. Then currently 10 hours ako and then Sunday off, which is I really love because of course Sunday is rest day and Sunday is family day. So it really depends on you. Depende sa priority mo. It depends on your priority. You can earn if may pinag-iipunan ka, then open a lot of slots or maximize your schedule. And aside from teaching, you can also do other freelance job. I also know some people or also myself while ESL teaching, I am also a VA. So you can just maximize everything. It's online. Everything is provided to you. You just have to grab it. It's just like a dining table that has a lot of food, and you can just grab and grab until you feel full, right? So there, depende talaga sa priority. And then, last one is because of freedom. You can achieve freedom in all aspects, financially, emotionally, spiritually, yes, and emotionally. So you have to work smart and be with the right company for you. Focus on your goal to achieve this freedom, of course. But ESL teaching can give you freedom. So, freedom in all aspects. You can be with your family, you can take care of your children, your family, you can see them grow. Minimal supervision. So, in ESL teaching, if there's just a problem about your stats or your performance, your TL or your manager or your handler could just contact you and then give you training. So if you feel like lazy or if you feel sick on that particular day, you can just text them right away and then inform them that you couldn't attend your class. So there's no discrimination, gender discrimination, no age. I know someone working as an ESL teacher. She's 50 years old, 55. And also status in life. Whatever your status is, you can just be an ESL teacher. Yes. And then it can also keep your sanity because you get to talk to different kinds of people, you get to share. Those are the three main reasons for you to choose teaching or ESL teaching. So, I hope I impart with you some information and knowledge and learning based from my experience And I'm encouraging you guys as well to try home-based job or freelancing jobs, especially ESL teaching. So you might consider all those things that I've mentioned and give it a try. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.